Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to go viral on Instagram Reels. So nowadays, as you have seen, lots of people are posting a Reels video on Instagram. So why to post a Reels video on Instagram? As you have seen from a long, so many years, there was a explore section, there was a search icon on the bottom, but now you can see Instagram, they have removed this search icon from bottom, they have added on the top, and they have replaced the explore button with reels. So whenever people will click on that one, they will see a reels video. And also because as we know that TikTok is banned in most of the countries, so just to get the bigger creator, just to get all those bigger creator in Instagram, they have introduced a reel and they are promoting reels video as much as. So what type of video is getting viral? See, the first thing is your videos should be shareable content. It should be something like whenever people see your Reels video, they will feel to share it with someone, or they will feel to download it and put it in their WhatsApp status or whatever. It should be a shareable content. And the second thing is whenever you create a video for your reels, always create a vertical video. Like as per the Instagram expert, the people who are posting vertical video, they are having more reach as compared to a square video that normally before we were able to post. So always go with vertical shape videos. So here I will also show you one of my Instagram account. So recently I have started posting only reels video, and I will add that video, the small clip of the screen recording here. You can see I just have 8,000 followers and I'm getting so many views as compared to my followers. And there is also a Instagram hashtag. So I will give you few common hashtag that you should use in your Instagram Reels video. And this will definitely help you to go viral on Instagram Reels. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.